Sweet Kingdom Hearts. Superior.
What is it, number 7?
Did you remind the other members that it's almost winter holidays?
I told you to do that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No.
Yes.
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 No.
Fine. You know what? It's the winter holidays, everyone. Happy?
No.
It's almost Christmas time. I got some Christmas shopping I need to do.
Dude.
Can we go to Christmas Town?
Dude. Dude.
Yay!
Dude. Did you say it was the winter holiday?
What?
You know what happened last year, dude.
What do you mean?
It's Marluxia.
Dude, why would I joke about that? As if.
Go.
Oh, Sykes! Guess what time of year it is?
Number 11. Is this really necessary?
Oh, you silly dog, come here. Now, was that so hard?
Yes.
Run! Oh, go on
Axel.
without me, Roxas.
Wait. Wait.
Dude, not this year. Not 3 times in a row. He's not gonna find me now. Not this year, not ever. I gotta stop talking to myself.
Hey, Ziggy.
Oh my god, I can't see anything.
Merry Christmas, Ziggy.
Axel? Anyone?
Hey there, Roxas.
No.
Looks like Boss Man got off scot-free.
You don't want to know where my
What?
Worst Christmas ever.
And I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Now I think it's time for your gift.